Pagbibidahan ni WBO Intercontinental Super Bantamweight Champion Dennis Cervania ang Pinoy Pride Boxing card sa Dubai, UAE. Makakatapat ng undefeated Pinoy puncher sa kanyang title defense sa Setyembre 5, si Mexican challenger Jose Cabrera. Narito ang report ni Dennis Principe.
Matapos ang 5 taon, muling babalik sa Dubai ang Pinoy Pride para sa isa na namang blockbuster card. Main eventer si undefeated Super Bantamweight prospect Genesis Cervania na magdedepensa ng kanyang WBO Intercontinental title laban kay Mexican Jose Cabrera. Gaganapin ang 12-round title fight September 5 sa Dubai World Trade Center. Si Cervania ay may record na 24 wins, 10 dito ay natapos ng knockout, habang si Cabrera naman ay may 22-4 record, 10 by KOs.
Si Genesis naman is, right now he's number 2 WBO, so every fight na every fighter he'll be fighting is very important for him. So because in due time he needs to be ready to fight for a world.
Supporting main event naman si Bacolod Pride Arthur Villanueva na magtatangkang hablutin ng vacant IBF International Super Bantamweight crown. Sasagupay ni Villanueva si Nicaraguan Henry Maldonado.
Si Villanueva is highly rated, so para may option, so we opt to do an IBF for him kasi he's highly rated also. So para may either of the two, para mas malaki yung chance niya makalaro ng world.
Magsisilbing special attraction ng Dubai card si Ray Boom Boom Bautista na haharap kay Jose Martinez ng Mexico.
Para sa telebisyon ng Bayan, Dennis Principe, PTV Sports.